Good morning, guys. Let's supertize. 5 and 5 is 10. 5 and 1, 6. How many? 8. What do we got here? 6. Super easy. 2. How many do we have here? 5 and 4, 9. What else? We've got 4. And last one. 5 and 2 is 7. Good. Get your dancing this morning. All right, today is my last day with you guys, so I would like for us to have some fun together. So let's have fun singing Ringo, Rango for the last time together, all right? Sing big and loud for me. Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, dinosaurs have hives. Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And then let's see, we can do Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, dinosaurs have skin. Ringo, Rango, Tingo, Tango, I can count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, show me your finger work. Show me the number 4. Super easy. How can I make 4? I could do 2 and 2. I can do 3 and 1. How can I make 7? All right, I can do 5 and 2. I can flip them around either way. How can I do 8? So that would be 3 and 5, or the commutative property, 5 and 3, where I flip-flop them around. Show me 10. How can I make 10? 5 and 5. All right, let's see if you can show me 12. So what do I need to do? Freeze frame 10, and then how many ones do I need? 10, 11, 12, 2 ones. All right, show me 15. So what should I do? Freeze frame 10, and then how many more do I need? How many ones? 5. Show me 13. So freeze frame 10, and how many ones would I need? 3. 10 and 3 is 13. And then show me 17. So what do I need to do? 10, and then how many ones do I need? 7. Now show me 26. So what should I do? 10, 20, and then how many ones? 6 ones. That would be 26. All right, so we're going to work on our standard that we did yesterday. OA2, represent and solve word problems that call for addition of 3 whole numbers whose sum is less than or equal to 20. All right, so here's our first word problem. It says, Carl saw different animals while walking through the forest. He saw 3 snakes, 7 birds, and 4 squirrels. How many animals did Carl see? So one way we can do this, like we did yesterday, one of our strategies would be a tens frame. So I'm going to lay those out. All right, we saw 3 snakes. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 snakes. I sure don't want to see those. 7 birds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that tens frame is full. So now I'm going to move over, and we need 4 squirrels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I have 1 tens frame full, and then I have 4 on my other tens frame, how much would that be? 10, and 4 more would be 14. Excuse me. All right, so he saw 14 animals walking through the woods. Another way, another strategy we could use would be our number line, like we tried yesterday. All right, So Carl saw 3 snakes. So I'm going to hop one big hop over to the 3. And then he saw 7 birds. So you can make 7 little hops or one big hop to show 7, whichever one's easier for you. So we'll do our little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hopped up 7 times. So let's see how many that would be. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I landed on 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10. And then I need to add those 4 squirrels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I added 4 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That would be my 14 squirrels, okay? Or if you don't want to draw it out on the number line, then all you have to do is just add the numbers together. So 3 plus 7, that makes our magic number, or magic 10. It's easy to add with 10. So that was our 3 snakes, there's 7 birds, and then we have to add our 4 squirrels. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Awesome. So Carl saw 14 different animals while he was walking through the forest. All right, let's try another one. This one's about Jed. Jed went to the ball game. He bought 8 pieces of bubble gum, 3 hot dogs, and 5 pretzels to share with his friends. How many things did he buy? All right, so let's start out with our tens frames again. So he bought 8 pieces of bubble gum. Yum, this looks like pretty pink bubble gum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces of bubble gum. And then 3 hot dogs. So we've got 1, 2. Now I have to start over here on my tens frame to make 3. So I've got 1 full. All right, and then I need to add my 5 pretzels. So we've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this 1 tens frame is full. I had to move over here and fill it up. So let's see how many that we came up with. All right, so we counted it out on there. Now let's try it on the number line. So he had 8 pieces of bubble gum, so I can make 1 big hop to the 8. Okay, now this one does not have numbers that gives us our magic 10. So if you want to, with problems like these, you can split some of the numbers up to get to that magic 10. Okay, so we had 8 pieces of bubble gum and 3 hot dogs. So I can split that 3 up because I know that 8 plus 2 would be 10. So that's my 2, but my number was 3. So then I'll need to hop up 1 more, and that would give me 11, okay? Because that 2 and then 1 more would be 3. And then we can hop up 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I landed on 16, okay? You don't have to break those numbers up. That's just if you want to get to the magic 10, okay? So what we did was we had 8 pieces of gum plus 3 hot dogs and 5 pretzels. So those are the numbers that we added up. Or if you know your doubles, we could add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so let me put that up here a little bit higher so you can see it. Sorry about that. So we've got 8 pieces of gum, 3 hot dogs, and 5 pretzels. So I could add those 2 together. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then I could add my other 8. So if you know your doubles, that would be easy to do. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So you can move those numbers around however you need to make the problem easiest for you. Okay, so however we did it, we got the answer of 16, whatever strategy that we used. Okay, we're going to do one more, and I'm just going to pull some Uno cards like I did yesterday. So we've got the number 6, the line's on the bottom, so that shows me that it's a 6. Ooh, and we have a 9, and then we have a 4. Okay, so our numbers are 6, 9, and 4. So I saw 6 birds out in the yard, and they were eating 9 worms. But then they found 4 more worms. So how many worms or how many animals were out in the yard? I don't know. I just made that up off the top of my head. Okay. So we had 6 birds, and those 6 birds were eating 9 worms. And then they found 4 more worms. So how many animals did we see out in the yard? All right. So that's what we can try to figure out. So, once again, ooh, I see a way to make 10. Does anybody see a way to make that magic 10? We've got 6, 9, and 4. What 2 numbers could we add together? I think we could do 6 plus 4 equals what? 10. And then we still have to add our 9. So that would equal what? 19. Okay. So I was just able to do that because I know what numbers I can add together to make 10. If you don't know that though, you can try a different strategy. You can try your number line. So I'm going to start with my biggest number. So I'm going to hop to my 9. And then I need to add 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I need to add my 4 more. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you can do it that way if you want to on your number line. Or we've also got our trusty old tens frames. So let's see what we need to do on our tens frames. So I've got 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 and 4, that fills up my whole tens frame. And then I move on to this one where I need 9 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more is 9. Okay, so I've got 1 tens frame full. I've got 9 over here. So 10 and 9 more is how much? 19. Yeah. Right. So I saw while I was doing this that 9 plus 4 plus 6, if you wanted to break it up differently on the number line, so we could hop over 9, and then I could do just 1 more to make 10. So I would break that 4 up into a 1 and then a 3. And that would give me 13. And then hop up 6 more, and that would give me 19. So it's just up to you guys, however you want to break those numbers up, whatever makes it easier for you. All right, I hope that you have had a good time watching all the Facebook Live videos. I'll miss you guys. I hope you have a great summer. Bye.